Okay, video walk around for Tim Dennis. Ceiling of the addition is 25 feet wide by 12 feet deep. The deck is the same plus a little extra that I'm going to make a note of. Railings would be 12, 25, and 12. And there's a little knee wall that would add 25 by 3 over there. And going around, it would be just a wash all the way around. And stain this deck railing, probably the lattice work, just to make everything match. Maybe some clear something on the deck over here on the walls. I'm gonna look and see if that's rotten. Yeah, just all the way around. And then there's a couple areas, one area of rot right by this window. 1, 2, third one down, there's a butt end. There's about 2 feet that's rotten. And then right here, there is rot. 2, 3, 4 on the bottom 4 or 5 pieces, maybe 6 pieces of siding. That could be stair stepped over like a foot, 2 feet, 3 feet, 4 feet, 5 feet, 6 feet, and that matched up. This is 10 foot wide. By the width of the house. The house is 32 feet. So from that corner to the junction where it changes color, 32 feet, clean the house, clean the deck, stain the deck and the railings, then color match this deck and railing to this deck, and color match the ceiling to the house.